Hello folks, it's that time again for What's for Supper Wednesday, and today what we're going to be fixing is Mexican dip. It's real easy to make and it's pretty tasty. Let's see what all we're going to need here. Alrighty, there's 2 pounds of burger, a quart of diced tomatoes, and we got 2 packets of taco seasoning, 2 packets of cheese, a head of lettuce, and some sour cream. Alright, just brown your burger up. Alrighty, that browned up fast. We drained the burger. Now we're pouring in our tomatoes. It's crushed tomatoes is what we're using here. Put in both packets of taco seasoning. Mix that up real well. Alrighty. Now all we're doing, we're just throwing cheese on the top. We could use a little bit more cheese than that. There we go. Can't never have too much cheese. Alrighty, just scatter that around there pretty even. I went ahead and put that underneath the broiler in the oven. Let it melt out real good there. Make it a little bit prettier. Now, here comes our plate. We put some lettuce and sour cream. We got some of those scoops. Carolyn fixed us some corn. Had a pretty good meal, folks. Turned out well. Folks, this meal was quick, cheap, and it's pretty tasty. That's something we're looking for the way prices are going up nowadays. I'd like to thank y'all for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Let your friends know about us. And I hope y'all have a blessed day. And I'd like to thank you again for watching.